Okay, for our motor skills, a lot of times people don't realize there's a lot to motor skills. Motor skills could be fine motor, it could be gross motor, it could be oral motor, or it could be our visual motor. And this one for motor skills, and I was thinking more visual skills. So this is from Discovery Toys, the 𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀 handheld microscope. And it's great because it is a handheld microscope. Obviously, it says it in the name, but it's perfect for taking and going and looking at things in an appropriate way through a telescope. Sometimes some of our kiddos want to look at things and they want to hold it up to the corner of their eye. They want to see it a little bit more up close. This actually will help them in an appropriate way to go and say, okay, it's a 40-time magnifier that they can go and look at different things. I really like this for our teens and tweens. Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.